The View co-host Sunny Hostin's husband, Emmanuel Hostin, has been accused of federal insurance fraud.
Sunny Hostin, her husband accused of committing federal insurance fraud in a lawsuit.
Buckle up, everyone, because this story is nothing short of a roller coaster ride. Sunny Hostin, the outspoken co-host of The View, known for her bold opinions on politics and pop culture, now finds herself at the center of a legal and personal scandal that has everyone talking. But this isn't just tabloid gossip. This controversy involves federal lawsuits, allegations of fraud, and serious legal implications that could shake up her career and personal life.
Stuff. Let's just not forget who she is. She's been, for years, lecturing America about morality, inequality, systemic failure.
The lawsuit that started it. All at the heart of this controversy is Sunny's husband, Dr. Emmanuel Hostin, a respected orthopedic surgeon, at least until a bombshell lawsuit accused him and nearly 200 others of participating in a massive insurance fraud scheme. American Transit, a major insurance provider, has filed a lawsuit under RICO, Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations, laws.
According to the documents, he knowingly provided fraudulent medical and other healthcare services, including arthroscopic surgeries.
A legal framework originally designed to combat organized crime. The allegations claim that Dr. Hostin performed unnecessary medical procedures, including arthroscopic surgeries, and then fraudulently billed insurance companies to collect millions of dollars. But the scandal doesn't stop there. Did Sunny Hostin know more than she let on? Speculation is swirling that Sunny may have been aware of her husband's alleged activities. This raises serious questions, especially given her background. Before joining The View, Sunny was a federal prosecutor who built her career on fighting corruption. The irony is glaring, and critics are now questioning whether she played a role in covering up any wrongdoing.
This is the largest RICO case ever filed in the state of New York. You guys wrap that around your brain. That's bigger than the mafia.
Could she have knowingly assisted in the scheme, or is she simply an innocent bystander caught in the chaos? Federal investigators raid the Hostin residence. The situation escalated further when federal investigators executed a search warrant at the Hostin household, allegedly uncovering large sums of hidden cash. This discovery has fueled speculation that the money could be linked to fraudulent activity. Sunny has since denied any wrongdoing, calling the accusations against her husband baseless and insisting that their family has nothing to hide. However, given the severity of the charges and the federal involvement, public skepticism remains high.
So he was scamming insurance companies from taxi drivers, Uber drivers, and Lyft drivers. He was performing unnecessary surgeries and then providing fraudulent medical services in exchange.
Backlash and career implications. Sunny's role on The View has also come under scrutiny. Known for her fiery debates and outspoken criticism of public figures, she now finds herself in the hot seat. Critics argue that her credibility as a commentator is in jeopardy, with some calling for her resignation. Meanwhile, ABC and The View have remained notably silent, leading to speculation that the network may be considering cutting ties to protect its reputation. Legal ramifications and potential consequences. If found guilty, Dr. Hostin could face significant prison time, and if investigators uncover any evidence implicating Sunny, she too could face legal consequences.
But it's just, I mean, you're married, Tom, you're married. If your husband's doing something, if he's allegedly doing something like this, you guys would know if your wives were up to.
RICO cases can result in triple damages, meaning the financial penalties alone could be devastating.
So Sunny Hostin and her husband, Dr. Emmanuel Hostin, are preparing for a legal battle to fight accusations that he committed federal insurance fraud.
Meanwhile, high-profile attorney Mark Geragos, representing the Hostin family, has threatened to countersue American Transit for defamation.
It does not look well when your name ends up with 200 people in a RICO investigation. This is the biggest investigation since Giuliani shook the tree and a bunch of mobsters fell out, right? This is big stuff. And so, and thank you for bringing that video. It sure is ironic that she's up there. So, but
demanding $5 million in damages. He claims the lawsuit is a smear campaign aimed at avoiding legitimate payouts. What's next? As the legal battle unfolds, one thing is clear.
It's a very serious crime. In fact, it's one of the largest, if not the largest, RICO case in New York's history.
This story is far from over. With ongoing investigations, courtroom battles, and growing public scrutiny,
Sunny Hostin of The View, who's constantly raging about race and reparations and how bad America is and its racial past and all this.
The Hostins are facing one of the biggest challenges of their lives. Will Sunny be able to weather the storm and reclaim her reputation?
I think that it's very helpful that he's handy, and when we travel, I'm not picking up any bags. He's the one that's hefting them overhead. He throws the garbage out. He does the heavy stuff.
Or is this the beginning of the end for her time in the spotlight? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Sunny knew about the allegations, or is she simply caught in the crossfire?
Totally different perspective on this. I don't really know what happened with this. The facts will come out. What I have a problem with is the core of who this woman is. Unlike you, I don't watch The View, bro. All I do is see clips.
It's just like
twice a day.
But here's all I hear from her. America's violent. America's racist. America's bad.
Today's video comes to us from Sunny Hostin. Sounds like a town. We're in Sunny Hostin. She was on PBS's Finding Your Roots, a show dedicated to researching celebrity ancestry. For context, Sunny is a staunch supporter of reparations and has made a fortune spewing nonsense about white privilege and racial justice.